Alright, I'm going to teach you how to kind of navigate Zoom. So you'll see my Zoom here. My video isn't on because I'm on this video. So you'll see my picture here. Down at the bottom, this is where you will unmute or mute yourself. This is where you will start video or end your video, so it just has a picture or your name. Then down here you have some other tools for you to use. Participants, you can see who is on your call. Right now it's just me. Then we have our chat here. For school, our chat, you can only talk to your teacher. So if you have a question, you can put it in the chat right here and the teacher can answer you. To close the chat, you just click the little caret here and click close. You will not have the capability to share your screen as a student, so we're not going to talk about that. Breakout rooms is something I can do as a host. Students will not be able to do that. But for reactions, you're able to clap or give a thumbs up. These are for when a teacher asks for those reactions. Something else I want to show you guys is the end button right here. That is to leave. Do not push that unless the class is over. Now the next thing I want to teach you guys is to minimize your screen. So a lot of times we'll be on Zoom, but the teacher will ask you to go somewhere else. So the easiest way to do that is to minimize your screen up here. Don't hit the X, don't hit the restore down. You're going to click the minimize, which is just the line. Click minimize, and then your picture goes to a little tiny box over here, and then you're able to go to your dashboard and navigate through here. So for example, if the teacher says to go to Nearpod, you can go to your Nearpod. You're still active on the Zoom over here. You can put in the class code right here and you can join the Nearpod and still interact with everything, and your Zoom is just right here. To get back to Zoom, all you have to do is hit the little box with the green arrow and you're back on Zoom. So this is what a lot of teachers will ask you to do, is to minimize your Zoom and go to a different tab up here at the top, such as your dashboard. You can go to your Schoology, you can work on Schoology. So maybe she asks you to go to your reading course and to a folder, but she can still see you and you can still see her talking. So this is the best way to navigate those two screens all at once. I hope this is helpful for all of you, and thank you for listening.